I'm using a baseball playing mocap from Mixamo to show a grip and release in motion. I use the data transfer method for the uniform. Links to my easy attached tutorial are in the description below. Select the bat in object mode and add a child of object constraint to the bat. The target is the hand bone. Set inverse. For the right hand, in pose mode, add inverse kinematics under bone constraint. Set the chain length to 3 and enable rotation. I'll come back to the influence slider in a minute. Add an empty and line it up where the right hand and bat will meet. Parent the empty to the bat and select Object, Keep Transform. Set the empty as the target in the bone constraint. In object mode, rotate the hand to fit around the bat. I'll insert a keyframe at frame 66 on the influence slider to start a disengagement with the hand from the bat. At frame 69, move the influence slider to zeros and keyframe it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.